Hi friends, welcome back to Olive's Vlog. Today we are in NRA layout near Ramurthy Nagar. Today we are going to see a house which is for sale. It's 3 BHK duplex house. The size of the plot is 20 into 40, 800 square feet. West facing side, north facing door. It's Bikata property. This is the parking area. Here we have one borewell. The entrance wall covered with tile. Here we have POP false ceiling with LED light. Safety grills also provided. All windows are aluminum sliding windows. Outside we have setback area. Teakwood main door, north facing. This is the living area. All floorings are granite flooring. Here also we have POP false ceiling with LED light. TV unit also provided. Under the staircase we have UPS space. This is the dining area. This is the puja unit. This is the kitchen, modular kitchen. We have lot of storage. The full details given below in the description. Please read it and watch the full video. And subscribe the channel, click the bell icon so you can get the notification for the new updation. Steel baskets also provided. All works are fully completed, ready to move house. Here we have common bathroom. This is the first bedroom. Here also we have POP false ceiling. Wall-to-wall cupboard facility also provided. Dressing unit. Sliding door. Here we have dressing unit. One side wall fully covered with wallpaper. For more information, please contact us. The contact details also given below in the description. Let's move on to the first floor. SS hand railings are provided. First floor we have one living room and two bedroom with attached bathroom. This is the family living. Here also we have POP false ceiling with LED light. TV unit also provided. All floorings are granite flooring. This is the second bedroom with attached bathroom. All windows are aluminum 3-track sliding windows. Here also we have small POP false ceiling. Cupboard facility and dressing unit also provided. Here also wall covered with wallpaper. All works are fully completed, including fans, light and solar. Here we have hand wash area. This is the attached bathroom. This is the third bedroom with attached bathroom. It's a master bedroom. Here also we have POP false ceiling with LED light. Wall-to-wall cupboard facility also provided with dressing unit. Here also wall covered with wallpaper. Sliding door. Here we have dressing unit also. This bedroom we have balcony also. The scandalings are provided with toughened glass. Here also wall covered with tile. Here we have hand wash area. This is the attached bathroom. The nearby locations are Ramurthy Nagar, Kalkeri, Hormavur, Bansawadi. The full details given below in the description. Please read it. Here we have safety door also provided. The terrace area. For more information, please contact us. The contact details also given below in the description. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon so you can get the notification for the new updation. Thank you.